Hi everyone. Today I will talk about this beautiful plant. This beautiful flowering plant commonly known as Yellow-Veined Eranthemum or Golden Pseuderanthemum. This plant is commonly planted in gardens as an ornamental plant because the leaves of this plant are very beautiful. But the flowers of this plant are also very beautiful. Many gardeners keep this beautiful plant in their garden for its beautiful white flowers. This plant is very easy to grow. This plant is easily propagated by cuttings. When pruning the plant, if you cut small branches and put them in the soil, they will grow roots after a few days. This plant grows best in fertile, well-drained soil. Keep the soil moist, watering freely in dry weather. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer every month. Rice-washed water and banana peel-soaked water are very good liquid fertilizers for all plants. Making compost from kitchen waste and giving it to the plants will improve the growth of the plants. But it is better not to fertilize this plant in winter because the growth of plants is less in winter.